Hi guys, so today I'm with a new mnemonic that you can use to remember embryonic membranes, or you can call them fetal membranes. So as you can see, this is one potential MCQ point that can be questioned in the future exams as well. And you might find it difficult to remember the function of each membrane. So I have a short mnemonic for you to deal with that. So firstly, if you're struggling with remembering the four embryonic membranes, you can use the mnemonic Kaya. So that stands for chorion, A for amnion, Y for yolk sac, A for allantois. So there's two A's involved. Then we can directly move on to the functions and a brief introduction of each membrane. So firstly you have chorion. So this chorion mainly connects, that's going to be the function of chorion mainly. So this chorion is going to connect the fetus and the mother. So it is a structure for exchange of materials between the fetus and the mother. And it also protects the fetus or the embryo from the immune responses of the mother and produces HCG. So see, you can see HCG. C is involved here as well. So chorion produces HCG, which is an important hormone for pregnancy detection. Nextly, you have the amnion. So amnion is going to be absorbing. Absorbing. What does it absorb? It absorbs shocks. So it's going to act as a shock absorber. And this is a fluid filled cavity. So since there is fluid, it's going to prevent desiccation. So drying out is going to be prevented by amnion. Then you have the yolk sac. So yolk sac is going to yield cells. Two types of cells are going to be yielded by yolk sac. That's going to be cells that become blood cells and also primordial germ cells. So yolk sac is going to yield cells that become blood cells until the fetal liver takes over. And it's also going to be a source of primordial germ cells. So two types of cells yielded by the yolk sac. So that's going to be the function of the yolk sac. Then finally you have allantois. Allantois, I really don't have a mnemonic for that. But I think now that you have a good enough way to remember the first three, you can remember allantois of its own. So it's a small outer pouching of the yolk sac. It serves as an early site for blood formation and associated with the development of the urinary bladder. So it's an early site for blood formation and development of the urinary bladder. So that's it. So to run through what I spoke of, firstly you have embryonic membranes. You can remember that using the mnemonic Kaya, and then you have chorion, amnion, yolk sac, and the allantois, and then you can remember their functions using the same letter that they start with. So chorion connects, amnion absorbs, yolk sac yields. So now you won't be able to, now you won't, you can't unsee it after you find out that yolk sac yields. You'll never put another MCQ stem. So here, that's how you can remember it. And finally, allantois, it's a small outer pouching of the yolk sac. It serves as an early site for blood formation and development of the urinary bladder. So it's going to be very easy for you to recollect it if you use this mnemonic. And I hope you benefited from this. So stay tuned to learn more and more biology techniques and shortcuts to make biology a breeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.